What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very, very well. So, drum roll, please. I don't know. Today I'm going to be reviewing this palette here. I did not even intend to buy this palette, and then I saw it, and here it is. This is the B Cosmetics Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette in collaboration with Stacey Marie. If you guys don't know, her first palette was my fave. Then they launched a second one, and I was like, do I need a second one? Like, how many colourful palettes can you do? Yeah, I bought the second one. Love that one. And then, yeah, I saw this one. And I, quite frankly, just had to get it. Like, just all of that is just, yes. So BPERFECT and Stacey Marie actually made a full collection surrounding this. So I obviously picked up the palette, and then I also got one of the Get Wet highlighters. When I went on the website, the swatches and everything weren't loading, so I didn't really know what color I was going for. I just sort of went for the description. So it says flawless dewy gold with a pink champagne finish, and it looks like this. I have already swatched it. It's very kind of like pinky, and then on application it looks very silvery. But it's like such an insane formula. I'm pretty sure it says it's a cream, but it just kind of feels like a creamy powder. It kind of has that little like bouncy consistency. It's very glittery, and I wouldn't use it for every day, but that is beautiful. But like, I'll just show you guys the consistency. It's just kind of cushiony. And then that's how it swatches. So yeah, today I am just going to be chucking this on my face, letting you guys know my thoughts and first impressions. I've got a lot of colour to play around with today, so let's see what we end up with. Blues, greens. All right, so we've got the macro camera on the go. Hiya. It's been a long time since I did any kind of like fun makeup. I hope I haven't completely forgotten how to do it. So I'm just taking a bit of the P. Louise base, and I'm just going to pat that on my lid. Been joined by a wild Michael. Hello, Michael. Thank you for just walking straight into my office and cleaning your ass right in front of me. Just gonna add a tiny bit more, just like so. Okay, so I think I want to do something kind of pastel-y, maybe. I will be swatching a bunch of the shades kind of as we go. I'm just so drawn to these colors. I can't help it. Like, this looks stunning. So does this. Maybe I'll do, I might have an idea. I'm just thinking right now, so don't mind me. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm not even gonna swatch it to start off with. I'm just gonna give it a go. I'm going in with like the blue-green. I know I literally just said, like, and I made fun of myself for choosing blues and greens, but maybe I won't. Oh, okay, fine. I'm gonna start with this shade here, Tahiti. Okay, so you can see that's how pigmented it is. I'm gonna tap off the excess, and I'm going to put that right on my outer corner. Let me try that again. That wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be. Okay, that's a bit more like it. I was like, awkward. So I'm just going to keep packing Tahiti on for a minute. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Lilac. Feels weird not swatching things before. I don't know why I've decided to do that today. I've just decided to swatch things after. But yeah, I'm just going to pat that lightly on my brow bone. This shade is going on nicely. Just kind of want to just blend it up there. Maybe slightly wing it out. I think I'm then going to take a pencil brush because I feel like I need a little bit more of that in my crease to add a bit more depth. And then using this pencil brush, I'm just going to wiggle that in just slightly inwards. I've winged that out further than I wanted to. I got a little bit carried away then. I'll sort it out in a minute, it's fine. I think I'm then going to go in with the shade Hibiscus, which is this like matte coral shade. Okay, that one, apparently that's a matte coral. I'd say it's a bit more neon-y in person, but that one's called Coral. This one's called Hibiscus, but it looks kind of corally. Anyway, yeah, I'm just going to take this on a flat, fluffy brush. And just pat that on. Oh, that's so nice. Why did I sound like Phil Mitchell then? No. Why did I sound like Phil Mitchell then? Ross Kimpon gangs. Yeah, I'm just going to blend that out and then overlap that on top of my lid. We need a little bit of blending, but that's very pretty. I'm going to go back over the top with a bit of that purple. And then back in with a little bit of Bear. Yeah, let's go for that one. So just a slightly lighter pink. Okay, I like this a lot. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done anything overly colourful. I've just not been feeling it. But this right now, I'm like, so far, this is just applying really nicely, blending really nicely. There's no fallout. Very nice. Okay, now I feel like I need to swatch some bits because I want to play around with some kind of shimmer, but I'm just not sure which one. That one there's Starlight. I don't know if it'll focus. Look at that. So I'm looking at Starlight. I'm looking at Blue Moon. Ooh, my little ring finger there. It's like a similar kind of effect, but obviously just a little bit more bluey. And I've also got Rose Pink. These shimmers look so nice. These feel very kind of creamy as well. So there's that one, the rosy one. Ooh. That was the more purpley one. And then this is the slightly more blue one. I might just try the purple one. I'm hoping it will like work. I might do like a little cut crease situation. I don't know. Ooh. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to run away from my problems right now, which is trying to figure out what to do with my lid. So I'm just going to move on to another part of my face. I'm going to go onto my brow bone with this shade Vanilla. Just looks like a really nice highlight color. Oh my God. Oh, you look so beautiful. This pleases me a lot. That's just like the most perfect brow bone color. Oh, so pretty. I love it. Why do I get so weird when I like things? Okay, so I know... I think I'm now going to move on to my lower lash line. I want to try out some oranges. So I'm going to try out the shade Yellow. Oh my God. And I also want to try out Mango. That was a bit of a bad swatch because my nail got in the way. Okay. And then I also want to try out Sundown. Ooh, what do you guys think? I think I'm going to go for the orangey one. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the shade Mango. This one seems a little bit chalky, but we'll see how it applies. Okay, I'm going to just pounce that on my lower lash line. Nice. I'm going to use the other side with the brush. Just using a random one from Urban Decay, but I actually really like this brush. Okay, I was hoping this would maybe be a little bit brighter. Like, it will build up to be brighter, but it's just not as neon as it kind of looked in the pan. I do like it though. I do actually like it. I might go in with a bit of yellow because that colour seemed to stand out a bit more to me. Oh, actually, those two together is literally the colour that I had in mind. Ooh. So now, because like I said, I'm running out of brushes, I'm just going to clean this one off on a used makeup wipe. And I think I'm going to go in with a tiny little bit of pearl here. Okay, this one's a bit more crumbly, but usually that means that they're going to be like super pigmented. Okay, I'm going to pop that right on my inner corner. Oh my God, that looks so good. Oh shit. Okay, now I need to figure out if I'm going to potentially mess this up or leave it like this. It's been a while. Like, it's been a long ass while since I've done any kind of cut crease, so I'm going to screw this up. But okay, first of all, I'm just going to take off a bit of this. I know I spent so long blending it and now I'm just like, bah. I just want to get off like some of the colour just so it doesn't mix too much. Then going to go in with some more P. Louise base. Slap it on the back of my hand. And we are just going to do this. So I'm just going to go boop, look up and around. Whoa. And you can see it's just kind of giving me a little guide there. I do want a bit more. Yeah, I'm going to make sure whenever I look around, you look mental for a minute. But yeah, there you can kind of see where my eyelid kind of folds. So I'm just going to go a little bit above that. I'm basically saying this out loud to kind of remind myself how to do this. I just went completely silent then. I went into my own little world while I was focusing on that. Maybe I'll just leave it like a half cut crease. I'm actually not mad at that, to be honest. Like, I've done worse cut creases. So then what I like to do, because I don't usually like how eyeshadow kind of blends with this, if I'm trying to like overlap it, I will just take my sponge and just gently blend that outwards. Just so it kind of gives you a bit more of an ombre. I'm then going to go straight in with, was it this one? Starlight? Yeah, that was this purpley one. Here we go. It's quite like a foily, crumbly formula. I'm going to try a different brush, one that's a little bit more fluffy. I might even wet my brush a little bit. It's like a weird consistency. It's almost foiled and creamy, so I'm just trying to figure out the best way to apply it. Oh, that gives you a bit more summing. Yeah, look at that. It literally applies like an eye foil. So duochromy as well. Just want to make sure I get right in there. Oh, shit. So then, as I just kind of get to the outer part again, I'm going to go back in with this brush and go back in with Tahiti, the first purple shade that I used. And then just build that up a little bit again on the outer corner. And just slowly blend it into the shimmer. Oh, I love it. I literally have like 2 tiny pieces of fallout there that I reckon if I... Okay, maybe not. I just made a fool of myself. A 1. Away with you. Yep, cool. We're good. We're good. So this makeup look actually just reminded me that I picked these up, I think in like Poundland or something a month or so ago. So they're just these little colourful gemstones. They have like a bunch of orange ones, and obviously they have the pink and like the bluey colour. I'm just going to stick some on my face. I don't know how strong the glue will be on here. Like, I think I might take one of these little pink ones. Get my little tweezers. Let's try this. And stick it to my face. Yeah, just kind of see how that stays on. Pretty. And then I'll just do another little blue one. And I'll go just up next to it. Are they cute or not? I have some of these little pearls as well. At this point, I'm just sticking stuff to my face. I really like the Stacey Marie palette, by the way. I just kind of ended up going off on one. But I have these things instead. I feel like they're just maybe a little bit big. Maybe that blue one is anyway. I'm going to take that one off. Bye. Try and hide the evidence there. And I'll try one of these little pearls instead. Again, pretty sure I got these from Poundland. Oh, I think I quite like that. Yeah, if you guys like the Stacey Marie palettes, or if you've been like umming and ahhing about them, this is the same kind of quality as a normal Stacey Marie palette. Obviously, it just kind of depends on what sort of color story you want. But yeah, again, I love this. I'm sure for now, this will become like my Brights palette go-to. It's a good one. So now, of course, it is time to try out this guy here. So I don't know if you guys can tell, I have already highlighted like my forehead and stuff. I thought it would maybe look a little bit extreme, says the girl with gems on her face. I thought it would maybe look a little bit extreme if it was like on my cupid's bow, nose, everywhere. So I'm just going to pop it like on my cheeks. So I'm going to swirl my brush in that. Doesn't seem to be picking up the product. Oh, wait, maybe it is. Oh, there it is. Oh my God. Wait, that's actually way more wearable than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be really, really glittery. And don't get me wrong, it is a glittery highlighter. But I like that so much more than I thought I would. Like, I was expecting to like it. I appreciated it. And, like, I want to swatch it and put it all over my body and stuff. But you guys know what I'm like. I like minimal shimmer, minimal glitter, and, like, a champagne-y sort of shade. So I wasn't really sure on how this would look on me. But, oh, I am a fan. I need to get my hands on the more goldeny one. Yeah, that looks stunning. So now I'm just going to add some mascara. Obviously, I do have a lash lift, so I don't really feel like I need to do too much to my lashes, but I am going to be using the Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. And I'm just going to run that through my lashes. And then a bit on my lower lash as well. Okay, guys, I'm now going to go ahead and apply the Isla in collaboration with Nikki Philippi Midnight Me Now lashes. I think I got these from the range. I think it was. I think I picked them up for like £3. Yeah, these are just a little bit lighter on the inner corner and then they kind of taper out. So not anything too dramatic, but hopefully they will kind of like my eyes a little bit. I'm talking so much, my lipstick is just like fully flaking off my face, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, pop those lashes on, do the other eye, and then I will check back with you guys for the final look. I think it's gonna look cute. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I love it. I have nowhere to wear this right now, but I really love it. Palette is fab. Highlighter is stunning. Like, I was actually really, really surprised by the highlighter. Let's just swatch a few more colors of the palette. Let's try out, we've got to try out this green here. Oh my God. Let's try out Lagoon. Try and get my finger in there. Yes. And then how about we try out, what about this color here? What's it called? JJ. Ooh, oh my God, they actually look so nice together. Bada bing, bada boom. Whoa, that was very, very chunky, but the color on that is, ooh. So yeah, definitely recommend this palette if you guys are looking for a new brights palette. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment section down below. Don't mind me just like rubbing off my swatches here. Yeah, let me know what you think of this makeup look in the comment section down below. And if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a big wet wipe thumbs up. And subscribe if you do happen to want to see more of me, because I do upload all the damn time. But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.